show magical mask for fairness face. Okay, before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so for that magical mask, I will show how to prepare this first. Okay, we want one tomato, some curd, and we want one lemon, honey, and some rose water. So with these 5 ingredients, I will show you now how to prepare the mask. Okay, so we just have to take one plate and have to take one strainer. Okay, and we have to cut it tomato 2 pieces. Okay, after that you have to strain it like this. And you can do grind also, it doesn't matter, but doing this will get the good process. Okay, so we have a lot of benefit with tomato, so you don't need to worry to get any effect for this with this tomato. We'll get lot of benefits, we'll have lot of benefit with this. Okay, you just have to smash like this and we'll get like this. And take one empty cup. Which one? This strained tomato we have to take into 1 cup. Okay, take 2 tablespoons and we'll get the 2 tablespoons of tomato. Okay, after that you have to take 2 tablespoons of curd. I'm taking 2 tablespoons. If you want more, you can take, it doesn't matter, it's not have any problem with this. And you just have to mix like this completely. With these 2 ingredients, whatever we are using with these ingredients will not get any effect on to face or skin or to health. Okay, and we want half tablespoon of honey. Okay, and with this also you have to mix like this. I have to cut this lemon and you have to take half tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, and some rose water. Okay, you just have to mix like this completely. Wash your face before using, and we need to mix really and very well. So after that it will prepare like this. Okay, so with this, when we are using this mask for your face, you just wash your face before applying it. Okay, you have to take one a brush and then start applying this face mask with the help of brush on your face. Okay, we have to mix really well. After that you have to take this and you have to spread this completely on your face wherever you want. And also we have to apply it on a face, hand, feet, or wherever you have dark or a tan skin. Will not get any side effect from this. You have to just apply to wherever you want have a dark circles, dark spots, and wherever you have a dark. Okay, you have to just apply on your face like this completely, don't give any gap. Tomato is main ingredient in this mask for lightening your skin, and it also work wonder for removing dark spots on your pigmentation from tan skin. And we used to use lemon also, and with the lemons we not have any problem with this lemon. Lemon is very useful to your health, and also honey is moisturizer on your skin and makes your skin soft. Rose water is for glowing on your skin. We have to stay up to 30 minutes after we completing this mask. Okay, applying this mask up to we have to wait 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes and you have to just wash it after this 30 minutes. After applying this mask, after 30 minutes you have to just wash it and come. Okay, after washing, see guys how difference in my hand. If you will do this daily, twice one on a day, twice in a day one, so it will very good and very shiny, very neat and a very soft and very glowing and a lightening. Okay, you will not get any side effect from this. You have to just do it twice once on a day. Okay, see my hand guys, how difference you will see it in my hand. Okay, so you will just do once in a day, so it is very good and very healthy and you will not get any side effect from this. And if you have any dark spots, any dark circles, any pimples on your face, it just removed from this mask. Okay, thank you guys. After watching this video, please subscribe my channels and do thumbs up and like and a comment to my channel.